Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Rogue Sport. This is the SL trim, and this one's pretty close to fully optioned. 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, 141 horsepower. Really nice interior. It's funny because if I'm blind and I can't see the paint color name, then that's me, but I can't see what color this one is on the sticker itself. Total price comes to $31,915. Sat behind myself, plenty of room, plenty of headroom. Really nice, actually. All right. I think I found my loop in here. Took me a little bit, but I found a good loop, a good starting spot. Cute puppy. Not bad for only 141 horsepower. You know, this isn't too light of a vehicle. That horsepower, it needs to work a little bit harder, but it still feels plenty quick. On those turns, feels nice and planted. Really nice. All the materials in here too feel great. Nothing feels too cheap, especially for 31. Brakes feel phenomenal too. Plenty of stopping power. Overall, the interior is really nice, especially in this spec. This is a very light colored spec, white on white, and I really like it. Even all this is all soft touch. This was really my first day of driving Nissan. I mean, before this, I've driven the GTR and test driven a Sentra. That's pretty much it. Haven't driven too many Nissans before. Oh, I'm sorry, no, the Pathfinder was filmed before these. But yeah, this is my first time really exploring the brand. Because I'm basically driving every model today. And of course I'll be back every once in a while to drive some more, but this is awesome. This is really, really nice, especially for 31,000. I was expecting it to be closer to 40. You're just cruising around, nice and quiet, not a lot of road noise or anything of the sort. Onto the bumpier roads, handles it really, really well. So straight ahead of us is Quirk's warehouse. This is our shipyard. It's where all of our new cars come. You know, I'll take the long way. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.